Hi, it's Dermot here from Crinogue, and I'm just going to give you a quick demo of how to install GaelSpell 2020 for Mac. So Dermot anseo ó Crinogue agus tá mé just chun na céimeanna satála seo a has pointed go topic. So the first thing to note is that your GaelSpell file will have downloaded into your Downloads folder, which you can access by clicking here on the left hand side, and you'll see that there's a file in here called GaelSpell 2020. So double click on that to open it up. And then in the next window, you'll see there's two steps. So the first step is to drag this GaelSpell file all the way over into Applications. And you'll see now that that GaelSpell file has appeared in your Applications folder. So we'll close out of that, and we'll double click our window again just to go into the second step. And the second step is to double click on this file down here. Now, one thing you'll notice just in the previous step is this is the file here that we dragged over into Applications. We didn't go near the GaelSpell file on the left hand side. It's the one in the middle here that you want to drag over. That's your dictionary file. So anyway, let's hop on to step 2, and we'll double click this file here. And we have to be careful here to enable the macros in Word. We let Word open up this document, and we'll just resize this file here so that we can see it all. And it really fills the whole screen initially, so just so that we can see what's going on, we go here. You see the whole document is here, and there's a link here in blue that's underlined that we need to click on. So let's double click on that to continue with the installation. And if all goes to plan, we'll see this message here saying that GaelSpell is situailte. GaelSpell is installed, and we click OK. And that's it. Next, we can go up into Word and open a new document. And we can type a sample sentence in here just to make sure that everything is working. And we'll go tá an pork more with a couple of extra ors, just to show that the more word is the only one that has the red line underneath it now, which indicates that GaelSpell is working fine. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. Gur magat. Slán.